Hi all, myself P. Ashwin Nair. My project title is Design of Ladle Tilting Machine. As you can see, ladle is a vessel which is used to transport and pour out molten metals. Ladle are of different types. It's used for kitchen, for steel making. Actually, our project is for steel plants. For steel plants, metal is transported in a ladle. Ladle is a cup-like structure by which the molten metal is transported. Next, let me show you the aim and scope of the project. Ladle is lifted and tilting using a crane and is kept in a position. Actually, the cycle of the old process is of 15 minutes. So, the slack raking process of 15 minutes. We are introducing a new method by which the crane is used in an optimized manner. The new design is arranged in which a new machine is designed by which the ladle can be tilted and the slack raking process can be done. This will enable the usage of crane. The new machine consists of a base structure, a ladle mount, a hydraulic setup and a tilted arm with rack and pinion arrangement. Actually, this is the old method. This is a method. This is the ladle. This is the crane which is holding the ladle both sides. This is the slack raking machine by which the slag is removed. So, here is the hook, and actually you can see one more hook is holding, which makes the ladle to tilt. So it's almost 9 meter high. So we are introducing a new method which will be described by my colleague and my friend Mr. Balaji.
Hi, myself Balaji. I'll continue the remaining presentation. So at the existing ladle tilting mechanism, the ladle is being kept at the height of 9 meter from the ground, and there is a crane used for holding and tilting the ladle here. Actually, the holding crane will be holding it on the model at the either side of the ladle, and the third crane is used for the tilting purpose. So these are some photos of the ladle tilting mechanisms. There is a transfer car which is used to transfer the molten metal from one part to another part within the steel plant. And yes, here is our initial proposed design. Actually, with this design, we designed a ladle tilting machine in which the ladle will be placed in our ladle mount, and here we gave the counterweight for the ladle for the safety purpose. And with the help of this hydraulic system, we are going to tilt the ladle to the degree of around 10 to 12 degrees, so that the ladle will be tilted to the angle of 12 or 10, as I said earlier. With the help of the slag raking machine, we will wipe off the slag which has been formed at the top surface. But there has been a mistake in this model, that is, we have added a counterweight. Already the weight of the ladle will be around 310 after it's getting loaded. So we are going to eliminate this counterweight in our next design. This is our final proposed design. Here we eliminated the ladle's counterweight completely, and here we added an extra weight to the ladle mount. So this will be making the ladle to be stable. With the help of rack and pinion mechanisms, we are ensuring the safety one more time with this ladle tilting. And here the trunnion is being held with this ladle mount within the socket mechanism. So we are even head tilting it using the hydraulic, as we said earlier. This is the hydraulic specifications we have done with this. So the result, with the help of this ladle tilting mechanism, we are eliminating a crane completely. So the cost, maintenance and operating cost will be eliminated completely for a single crane. So within the same stipulated time, the ladle's work can be stipulated with a single crane. So the work can be doubled. So this is our ladle tilting mechanism.